there! Is your iPhone's camera stuck on a standard photo size and you're itching to snap some full screen or widescreen shots? No worries at all. I'm here to help you out. In this video, I'll walk you through how to switch to full screen or widescreen mode for your photos. Let's dive right in. Solution 1. Use the camera app's aspect ratio settings. First, open the camera app. Next, tap the arrow at the top of the screen or swipe up depending on your iOS version to uncover more options. After that, tap the aspect ratio icon that looks like 1:1. Now select 16:9 or any other wide format option you prefer. Finally, take your photo using this new aspect ratio. Solution 2. Adjust the photo composition in the camera app. First, open the camera app, then scroll down in the menu. After that, enable the grid option. Now also make sure to enable the option to view outside the frame. And there you have it! That's how you can capture your pictures in full screen or widescreen mode on your iPhone. If this video was helpful for you, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for tuning in and happy shooting!